Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric bicycle wheel. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is electric bicycle rear wheel. Specifications. Brand name, Ray. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 72 volts. Rated power, 3000 watts. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is Risen motor bicycle wheel. Specifications. Brand name, Risen motor. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Wheel size, 20-inch, 24, 26, 700C, 28, 29 Speed gear, 7-speed. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, 1500W BLDC hub motor wheel. Specifications. Brand name, Bike. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Power, 10,001 to 500 watts. Item number 2 is N-Power bicycle hub motor wheel. Specifications. Motor type, brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 to 72 volts. Speed, 60-70 km/h/75-85 km. Dropout, 135 mm. Color, black. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have rear motor wheel. Specifications. Brand name, Ray. Motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Wattage, 400 watts. Design, brushless. Voltage, 36 volts. Installation, front wheel. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.